I just bought this Logitech MX mechanical keyboard mini today and I love it so much. It has backlighting and I love how the keys come up like that. That's how a normal mechanical keyboard is. It has the backlighting and the keys light up. Absolutely amazing. I have the MX Keys Mini as well. That's a really good keyboard, but this is just the next level up. Like, the keys just sound amazing. Have a listen to this. I really love this keyboard. Highly recommend it for you guys. You can get the Mac version and you can get the Windows version. This is the Windows version, but it does work with Mac. As you can see, I do recommend getting the one for your system, but they connect to everything.